In this Guru School lecture, I'm going to go ahead and start the topic of YouTube ads. That's going to be really interesting because that's really important. The YouTube ads are majorly, I personally think they are like perfect example of awareness of your publicity. I could say to reach out to the most of the people, because I personally think every person, if they are not using social media, they are still using the YouTube. And of course, if we see the YouTube, we see the ads as well. Now we can get the importance of ads, right? I personally think this too. Whenever I see any ad on YouTube, I personally think somehow my ads is also showing to someone else. This is what I consider, and most probably you will start also considering the same. And then, yeah, you'll change your mentality, right? But yeah, come back to the topic. I'm going to go ahead and talk about the YouTube ads in this whole 2 to 3 videos for the next 3 to 4 videos. Now, there is a question, why YouTube videos only? I mean, why YouTube ads? YouTube ads, as I consider, and most of the reports consider, that 80 to 90% people get like more attracted towards videos or display ads. Just like if I'm featuring any kind of video in front of you, you will get more attracted instead of text, right? Second thing, there is a report which says that YouTube ads takes more traffic towards your landing page. It takes more traffic, indulge into them, and mostly there are 90 to 95% chances to get the awareness about your brand. You can spread the awareness of your brand, right? So there is a question, what are the types of YouTube ads we have available, right? We have different kind of YouTube ads available, and let's talk about them first. There are, I think, 4 to 5 YouTube ads are available. I'll let you know by the names. So first of all, there's a skippable ad, which we can skip, right? If you see the YouTube and they like in between, if suppose you're watching a movie on YouTube and just in between you see an ad, and you can skip that ad, right? After 5 seconds. That's your first type of YouTube ad. That's called the skippable ad, which you can skip after 5 seconds. Second, it's going to be non-skippable ads. We are not able to skip those ads that lasts for 15 to 20 seconds. We are not able to skip that. Just suppose we are watching a video and in between we saw any ad of 15, 20 seconds, but there is no skip option. We have to see that ad if you want to continue with that video. And one more thing, if we go with the skippable video or skippable ads, at least if the person sees your ad for 5 seconds, at least you have spread your awareness about your brand. So skippable ads are not bad. They're actually good. Make sure in starting 5 seconds, you can indulge your customer into your ad so much that you can, keep that continue. Then there is third ad, that's called bumper ads. Bumper ads are those ads which lasts for 6 seconds only. So they last for 6 seconds. Now what happens? They are short ads, like just started and ended within 6 seconds. They are called bumper ads. Then we have overlay ads. What are those? Suppose you are watching a video and while watching the video, you see a little banner at the bottom of your screen or at the bottom of the video. They are called overlay ads. In overlay ads, you can also spread your awareness, and you have a cross option. You can cross that and remove that in front of you. But yes, that's also a kind of a YouTube ad which you see. So as if I told you the 4 types: skippable ads, which you can skip in 5 seconds. Second is non-skippable ads, which lasts for 15 to 20 seconds, which you have to see that ad. Third, it's going to be a bumper ads, which lasts only for 6 seconds, like they started and ended in 6 seconds. Fourth, that's going to be overlay ads. While watching the video, you see a little banner, that's called your overlay ads. Next, we have normal display ad. What happens? You see a video on your YouTube and at the side, you will see a normal display banner ad. That's a normal display ad. So this is our fifth ad. And then lastly, we have a very different ad that's called discovery ads. So they are a different ads. I mean, different kind of ads. Suppose what happens, you are watching a YouTube video, and instead, I mean, while watching that video, after, like just behind, or I could say just below that video, you see some ads where you see some suggested videos. There you see some ads as well. They are called discovery ads. It could be about anyone like Myntra, Flipkart, Amazon. I have seen so many ads, so many discovery ads about it. So these are 6 types of ads. First, let's recall that. First, it's our skippable ads, which we can skip just in 5 seconds. Then we have non-skippable ads, which we have to see at least for 15 to 20 seconds. Then we have bumper ad, which lasts for 6 seconds. Then we have our overlay ads, which while watching a video, we'll see the banner inside that video. That's called our overlay ads. Then we have our display ads. While watching the video, at the side of it, we see a normal banner. That's a display ad. And lastly, 6th is our discovery ads. While watching the video, just below that video where we see the suggested videos, there we see some ads. They are called discovery ad videos. All right. Now there is a question how we can run these ads. So for running a video YouTube ads, what do we require? That's a very main criteria. How to run that, that's a different story. But what do we require to create, or what do we require to get a successful video YouTube ad? That's the main thing. Because you can also create the banner ads on YouTube. That's a different story, which we have learned in the display ads. But this time we are learning about video YouTube ads, how we can create it. We'll learn that later. But as of now, we learn the requirements. First of all, you should have a YouTube channel. That's a very basic thing. Second, you should have a YouTube video. Third, you should have your ad account. Fourth, you have to integrate your YouTube channel with your ad account. These 4 things are the mandatory things to run your YouTube video ad. First, there is a YouTube channel which you can create it by yourself. I don't think so that I need to help you out for that. But yes, if you need help, do let us know. Second, you can create your own video and upload it by yourself. There is a little upload option which you can do it by yourself. Third, how to get your ad account and how to integrate your YouTube channel with your ad account. That we'll learn from our next videos. We'll start learning how to integrate with that and how to create the custom audiences and how to also remarket your YouTube video ads. This is what we're gonna learn from next videos onwards. Till now, I have explained you what are the kinds of YouTube ads and what do we need to require for this. So as of now, this was the overview about your all video YouTube ads. All right. From next video onwards, we'll start with our practicals.